In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on YouTube with 0 subscriber, and it's very simple. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you what you need to do as a creator. Now, one of the first things which you need to know is the fact that YouTube gives you a platform to be able to share your ideas and be able to make profit or make money. Now, one of the things which you need to do is to do what? Get an audience. Now, there's no way you post your video whereby you won't be able to get like 10 or 15 people that will watch your videos. Or even though you don't get the people to click your video, at least you get people that might go through the video, like the impression. There's people that might have come across your videos in one way or the other, like they will just look at it without clicking it. With this, you can be able to make money on this platform which I'm going to be showing you, and you don't need any investment or anything to do. All you just need to do is to do what you do best and you make money on this platform. Now, the platform in which I'm introducing to you is Benable. Benable is an advertising app whereby you can just post anything in which you use. All you need to do is to just do what? Post what you use more often, and that's what is going to make you make money. And with that, if there's actually a product in which you have used, like this microphone I've used for more than a year, I can be able to talk about it. I can share my experience, the good, the bad, and the ugly part of this particular device. With that, I can make money. All I need to do is to just go to the Benable app and post that particular product and talk about it. And whenever people are buying that product, I get my commission. That's just what Benable is all about. Now, I've been able to make some little money for just, even though I've not been so active on this site, but I've been able to make money because I created some products that actually did well and got me some sales. Now, the minimum money which you need to have to be able to make your download on Benable is $80, and the money is going to be paid to your PayPal account. That's how they make the payment. Now, let's assume there's a particular toothpaste in which you use, and you've actually used that particular product or any other things. It can be a laptop, it can be anything, maybe any kind of product. You can just post this particular thing and share your experience on this platform, and with that you'll be able to make money whenever people go through that your review on that particular product and people buy it. You make money on that particular purchase. They give you your percentage. And one thing which you need to know about Benable is the fact that they have a whole lot of affiliate partners from Amazon and every other platform, buying platform, or any kind of platform in which you are thinking of. They have affiliate partners with these companies, and these companies in return pay whenever people make purchase. And you don't need to make any supply, you don't need to do any distribution, you don't need to do anything, do any sales or whatsoever. All you need to do is to just talk about the product, share your honest experience, or give your honest review on that particular product, and you see that whenever people go through your profile and they come across that product, or maybe that product is actually moving, and with that, being able will be able to push the product out there. And once people come across your profile and they're buying that particular product, once they buy it, you get your commission, just like Amazon. Whenever people introduce other people to buy something from Amazon, they get their own commission. And this is how you're going to do this if you want to go very fast or start making money. If you're someone that do product review and all that, now this is what you do. You just go to your profile, talk about that particular product or share your experience on that particular product. Then you can now put the Benable link of on your Benable link of your channel or your affiliate link to your description. And with that, people will be able to click on your descriptions to be able to connect to the Benable app. It's just like the way people do the Amazon, they post their Amazon link on their description section. With that, people can be able to click on the description and be able to locate the product and buy it whenever they want to buy it. So whenever you do something like that, you tend to make money, and you don't need any investment, you don't need any money to put into it. This all they need is your honest review about a particular product which you have used before and is actually good or bad. You just give your honest experience on honest review on that particular product, and you make money. And you can see I've been able to make some little money on my own profile, even though I've not really pushed it out. But as a small creator trying to grow, you need to be able to do some of these things to be able to post some of the product or maybe the equipment in which you use to do your recording or whatever kind of product in which you think is actually good and you recommend it for anyone starting a YouTube channel or trying to do something as a content creator, or maybe an AI app, an AI software, you can actually talk about these things and people can be able to buy whenever they subscribe, they buy the subscription or whatsoever, you tend to get your own percentage. This is what Benable is all about. So if you're a small creator and you want to make money on your YouTube channel, even without getting monetized, this is one of the things in which you need to start thinking of doing. You need to start posting your links on your description. With that, whenever people go through your video, they can now go through your description to be able to connect and buy these things. And at the end of the day, you get your own commission on these things as a small creator. So thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, and it's actually not difficult to create a Benable app, all you need to do is to just click on the link to sign up and you use your Google account to sign up, or you can just decide to download the Benable app from your Play Store or your App Store, and with that you are good to go. Then sign in and all that, then set up your profile. That is all you need. So thank you for watching. If you need any more advice or maybe you need direction on how to go about it, leave a comment at the comment section. I'm going to attend to any question or anything which you want to know about these things. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.